Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. So let's go kids. Color name: light green color, red color, silver color, sky blue color, blue color, pink color, green color, magenta color, yellow color, black color, blue color, brown color, white color, orange color. तो लेट्स गो किड्स। आज हम लोग अल्फाबेट ड्राइंग सीखने हैं। ए इज फॉर एप्पल। बी इज फॉर बॉल। लेटर सी इज फॉर कैट। Letter D. D is for dog. Letter E. E is for elephant. Letter F. F is for fish. Letter G. G is for gorilla. Letter H. H is for house. So let's go kids. J is for juice. K is for kid. L is for lion. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Bye bye kids.